The next generation of UAVs has to be safe. It must be reliable, and it should be flexible to adapt to the unpredictable conditions that are present out on the field, providing intelligent solutions to professionals and supplying accurate data for those in command to make critical decisions. Introducing the new Autel Robotics Dragonfish VTOL UAS. The Dragonfish boasts a new tilt rotor design that combines the efficiency of fixed-wing aircraft endurance with the takeoff convenience of traditional multi-rotor drones. With a maximum flight time of up to 120 minutes and a video transmission range of 30 kilometers, the Dragonfish offers unparalleled performance within its class. The provided GNSS base station and the integrated RTK module allows the Dragonfish to fly confidently in complex environments while capturing precise, centimeter-accurate data. In industries that require frequent aerial inspections, the Dragonfish provides high-quality solutions with a powerful camera system. A modular payload mount with quick-release function enables the Dragonfish to mount a variety of payloads effortlessly to suit different mission needs. Dual sensor combines a 12mm wide-angle lens with 20x zoom lens. Operator can switch between them with a single click. Paired with a 3-axis gimbal, the Dragonfish can still smoothly capture stabilized images, even with high magnification. If that's not enough, then leverage the intelligent functions of the Dragonfish. Powered by a suite of onboard processors and advanced AI algorithms, tracking moving subjects such as people, vehicles, objects, or ships is now easier than ever before. Capable of identifying up to 64 objects simultaneously and tracking a single object traveling at speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour, the Dragonfish sets a whole new standard in airborne intelligence. The advanced mission planning function allows you to quickly change its flight path when any unpredictable changes happen. The terrain following feature allows the Dragonfish to calculate terrain changes in real time and carries out different flight path adjustments to avoid any incidents possibly caused by unpredictable topographical differing. Reliable and efficient, the Dragonfish offers a multitude of redundancy systems for a smooth, safe flying experience. Dual redundant CAN-bus communication enables the real-time monitoring of the rudder surface and motor status, protecting the aircraft from strong electromagnetic interference. Onboard AI self-checks the system continuously to prevent faults and accidents before they occur. In a world that demands more, Autel Robotics sets a whole new standard by combining power, performance, and intelligence to create the ultimate VTOL UAS. The Dragonfish.